Yeah. On a sleepy Saturday morning, the last Saturday before Christmas. Mommy is sleeping. Daddy and Titus are just hanging out in bed. Hello, everybody. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, Titus is definitely recognizing himself in the camera. Yeah, who's that, baby? You like to look at the camera and look at the mirrors. That's definitely a thing now. Whoa, look at the baby. Look at the baby. That's you, baby. He's mesmerized. He stops moving when he sees himself in the camera. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. This is one of your favorite toys, huh, baby? Hello, baby. Here's baby watching his little monkey while Daddy is crocheting him a new hat, a Christmas hat. Yeah. So Titus has just gotten up from a nap. He's kind of upset, so I got him up and I propped him up so he can see the Christmas lights around the bed. Keep him busy for a little bit while Mommy and Daddy clean up and get ready for Christmas! Yay!